Hello and welcome back to our new video class, high class 5th. So as we know that we had completed our taught syllabus. Yes, so now this is the time to move on towards our revision part. Okay, so in that revision part today we are going to see a lot of revision because as we have a lot of things as we covered in our last since 2 months, so this is very hard to take it in the only 1 week revision. Okay, so this is very much hard to us that how we have to revise, because English literature as well as grammar have like the whole of us. Yes, so it's very much draft syllabus, this is very much vast syllabus, and how we have to go with that. So I will take few things of that particular from the revision which are very much important for our taking the recap of that. Okay, so without wasting our time we have to go towards our revision part. So first part of our revision is today's paragraphing. Okay, so what's the meaning of the paragraphing? That we have to divide that one passage into small paragraph system, like that it is called as paragraphing. And how we have to denote the paragraphing? By inserting the double slash forward or the double forward slash symbol. That will make that this is the symbol which were used for the paragraphing system. Yes, double forward slash symbol is used for the paragraphing system. And how we have to begin the new paragraph, this is very much important. As I told you that the time is to be considered, the place is to be considered, the topic is to be considered, as well as the person is to be considered, whichever taken into account for having the new paragraph. Because whenever the time is new, whenever the place is new, whenever the topic is started newly, and whenever the new speaker comes in that or the new person coming into that paragraph, then we need to change the paragraph. Okay, so as there were the particular example of the paragraphing system as I taught to you, but I have to revise this today. And one thing you have to keep in mind, that already that which had taken into account for the revision, it's not guaranteed that only that portion or that proportionate only comes to your examination. Okay, so don't be in that misunderstanding that whichever the topic ma'am had given here, the revision, that only comes in the examination. No, like that any other questions will be asked, doesn't matter that. Okay, ऐसा नहीं है कि एग्जाम में वही टॉपिक आएगा जो रिवाइज किया जा रहा है, नॉट लाइक दैट फ्रॉम. ओके, सो अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट ओनली दैट पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन विल बी कम्स, और एनी वन ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर फ्रॉम द रिविजन, दैट ओनली कम्स, doesn't matter, but your preparation is the matters here. Okay, so today's topic is about the paragraphing. So as we know that double forward slash symbol is used for the paragraphing system. So first of all you have to read the story Bibble Catches the Thief. And what we have to do here, we have to begin the new paragraphs and mark with the double forward slash symbol here. Okay, so what is the importance, how we have to go towards that? First of all we have to write, as we know that first of all we have to read twice or thrice at the time, and then only we can get the idea where from the time will be new time will be start, or the different time will be started, or maybe the different type of period, or maybe the different place comes here whenever the different or new idea will come, or the new subject will come, or the new people, new speaker will come into that, then we have to change the paragraph. So like that, one day the theft took place in a rich merchant's house. The merchant suspected one of his servants to be the thief, but did not know how to catch him. He went to Bible with his problem. Bible accompanied the merchant to his house. He requested all the servants to assemble in the courtyard. He then gave a stick of equal length to each of them. He told them, the stick of the real thief will be longer by 2 inches tomorrow. I want all of you to present here in the morning with your sticks. The next day when Bible went to the merchant's house, he found all the servants waiting in the courtyard with their sticks. Birbal examined each stick. Suddenly Birbal said, "This is your thief's merchant." He was pointed to a young servant who had been recently employed by the merchant. The merchant asked, "What makes you say so?" Birbal replied, "Your Majesty, the thief has cut his stick short by 2 inches, fearing that his stick will be longer by 2 inches in the morning." The young thief pleaded for forgiveness and promised to follow the path of the honesty and hard work. So this is your paragraph. So how you have to read that? This is very lengthy, but there are, and what's the importance of the paragraphing? paragraphing किस लिए की जाती है? क्योंकि हमें exactly समझ में आना चाहिए कि exactly यहाँ पे हो क्या रहा है. ओके तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यहाँ पे पैराग्राफिंग की थी यहाँ पे. यस, सो व्हाट्स द रीज़न? दिस इज द टाइप ऑफ द पर्टिकुलर टाइम. Yes, one day what happened, that only gives here. Yes, so there is the particular paragraphing. Then the Birbal accompanied. Birbal here coming. Yes, so Birbal had come here, so Birbal's entry is there, so the new person is coming here. Yes, so that's why this is the paragraphing. So how much he asked to the particular person, that's only the particular point. Then the next day the new time will start. Okay, so the again new time will start. So here is the paragraphing for that. Okay, then again suddenly Birbal said. So suddenly Birbal said, again the new person coming here, that is the Birbal. So here the again the paragraphing system. Okay, then how much his particular sentences, that sentences comprises towards that symbol. Yes, then again the merchant asked. Merchant is the new person. Yes, so as the new person comes into that particular phenomena, then we have to cover with the double forward slash symbol. Yes, and how's his sentence that comes towards that. Okay, then Birbal replied. Whatsoever the Birbal replied, because the Birbal is the person, and whatever the person said you have to give in that particular paragraph. So the Birbal's whole sentences are mixed, comprises towards the new paragraphs. Yes, then the young thief pleaded. Then again the new person comes here, and the new situation comes here, the new idea comes here, that what the young thief pleaded for forgiveness and promised to follow the path of the honesty and hard work. So like that you have to make the paragraphing system. Okay, now the next, what is the next is about the notice writing. The notice writing is important. Why it is important? Because this covers the mass media of the communication. We have to cover the whole period of that particular, so we have to write the notice writing. Why we have to write the notice writing? Notice writing is useful for the school, it's useful for the organization, it's used for company itself. Okay, so where there are the mass n number of people, that particular needs the notice writing. So what are the points we have to remember in the notice writing? The first of all, the box. Yes, you have to write down the notice in the box. Yes, then you have to write the name of the organization, the name of the school, like that, the name of the company. Then you have to give the notice heading. After that, at the left side of your page, after left side of your box, you have to write the date. Date should be in the expanded form, like 30th October, 2020, like that you have to write the date. Then after that you have to give the heading of that particular subject, what is the exactly the subject matters here. Okay, then you have to write the body of the notice. Body of the notice comprise what, where, at what time, like all that questions you have to cover in the body of the notice. Then you have to write the name, the designation of the undersigned person at the left corner of your box and written here. Okay, so this is the exact form of the notice writing. As we know that I can take one example from that. The first exercise. What's the first exercise? You are the head boy or the head girl of your school, Zenith International School. Write a notice inviting all students for the preliminary round of the quiz contest to be held in your school. So this is the particular notice writing. So in that, what's the name of the school? Zenith International School. So you have to write at the center of the page when you have to write the, make it in the box. Okay, so in the box you have to write the particular notice writing in the box. After that you have to write the school's name, then center of the particular page you have to write the notice heading. After that what you have to do, you have to write the date should be in the expanded form. Then you have to write the heading of the particular subject of the notice. Then again you have to write the body of the notice comprises that, and after that you have to write the name of the undersigned person and the particular designation of that. Okay, so like that you have to comprise into that particular. So this is your notice writing. Then the next part of your revision is the letter writing. What is exactly the letter writing? Letter writing shares our feelings and the expression with someone. Yes, so as we know that this is the time of the online exchange of thoughts, but the letter writing gives the more phenomenon thing. Okay, so what are the points you have to remember in the letter writing? I will have to recap it once again. First of all, you have to write the sender's address. Sender's address you have to write down with the date and the सैल्यूटेशन. ओके, सेंडर्स का एड्रेस जब हम लिखेंगे तो सेंडर के एड्रेस के साथ आपको डेट भी लिखनी होगी. डेट एक्सपांडेड फॉर्म में लिखी जाएगी. ओके, उसके बाद में आपको क्या करना होगा, यू हैव टू राइट द सैल्यूटेशन. सैल्यूटेशन लाइक डियर साहिल, डियर मम्मी, डियर पापा, डियर ग्रैंडपा, लाइक दैट. और द डियर फ्रेंड, लाइक दैट. नो, फ्रेंड नहीं लिखना है. डियर साहिल, डियर सोनम, लाइक दैट यू हैव टू राइट योर फ्रेंड्स नेम. एंड आफ्टर दैट व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, जैसे आपने सैल्यूटेशन लिख दिया, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सेंडर का एड्रेस लिखने के बाद में, सेंडर का एड्रेस लिखने के बाद आप जब डेट लिखोगे एक्सपांडेड फॉर्म में, उसके बाद जब आप सैल्यूटेशन दोगे, उसके बाद 1 लाइन का स्पेस देने के बाद आप क्या करोगे, जो आपका लेटर है उसका आप यहाँ पे बॉडी ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर लिखते चलोगे. ओके, तो फर्स्ट आपको क्या करनी होगी, मिनिमम 3 पैराग्राफ्स में लेटर राइटिंग की जाती है. तीनों पैराग्राफ्स को मार्किंग होती है. सो तीनों पैराग्राफ में फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में क्या करेंगे, फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में हम हालचाल पूछते हैं, उसके बाद में रीज़न एक्सप्लेन करते हैं, रीज़न देते हैं वहाँ पे कि हम क्यों लिख रहे हैं लेटर. ओके, उसके बाद में सेकेंड पैराग्राफ में हम रीज़न का एक्सप्लेनेशन देते हैं. यस, और थर्ड पैराग्राफ में हम क्या करते हैं, लेटर को क्लोज कर देते, कंक्लूडिंग पैराग्राफ लिखते. और लास्ट में हम क्या करते हैं, 1 लाइन का स्पेस देने के बाद में योर्स लविंगली, यस लाइक दैट, योर्स लविंगली, और ऐसे तरीके से हम सब्सक्रिप्शन देते हैं, कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री क्लोज देते हैं. और लास्ट में क्या करते हैं, हम वहाँ पे जो सेंडर का नाम होता है, सेंडर का नाम, फॉर एग्जाम्पल मे बी द whatever the person's name, for example Yash. Okay, so this is the name of the sender, you have to write in the corner of that particular left side of your letter. Okay, तो इस तरीके से आपको लेटर राइटिंग करनी होती है. फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज क्या है यहाँ पे, इमेजिन यू आर फवाज, राइट अ लेटर टू योर फ्रेंड इनवाइटिंग हिम फॉर अ डिनर पार्टी एट योर हाउस. आपके फ्रेंड को आपको बुलाना है आपके घर पे डिनर पार्टी के लिए. तो इस तरीके से आपको क्या करना होता है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सेंडर का एड्रेस लिखना है. सेंडर का एड्रेस मतलब आपका खुद का एड्रेस, उसके बाद में डेट लिखनी होगी. डेट एक्सपांडेड फॉर्म में जैसे कि यहाँ पे दिए 14 जून 2015. उसके बाद में आपको क्या करना है, सैल्यूटेशन लिखना है. यहाँ पे आपके फ्रेंड का नाम लिखा है डियर राजेश. ओके, फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में आपको क्या करना होता है, फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में आपको हालचाल पूछना होता है और रीज़न देना होता है कि आपने फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ मतलब आपने लेटर क्यों लिखा है. सेकंड पैराग्राफ में आपको क्या करना होता है, रीज़न का एक्सप्लेनेशन देना होता है, मोर क्लियर करना होता है थॉट. और उसके बाद में थर्ड पैराग्राफ में आपको क्या करना होता है, थर्ड पैराग्राफ में आपको आपका जो लेटर होता है वो कंक्लूड करना होता है, एंड करना होता है. और लास्टली आप क्या लिखते हो, सब कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री क्लोज देते हो, जैसे कि योर्स लविंगली, योर्स फ्रेंडली, लाइक दैट फवाज. ओके, तो इस तरीके से आप क्या करोगे, आपकी लेटर राइटिंग करोगे. आई थिंक आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. उसके बाद में जो रीडिंग कॉम्प्रहेंशन पार्ट है हमारा, तो रीडिंग कॉम्प्रहेंशन पार्ट मीन्स ये हमारे सिलेबस से रिलेटेड नहीं होता है. यस, ये कोई अनसीन पैसेज होता है जो कि हमने कभी नहीं देखा होता है. तो हमने इस तरीके के 2 पैसेजेस देखे थे और हमने उसके क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स भी बहुत अच्छे तरीके से रिकवर कर लिए थे. तो आपको क्या करना है, अब आप जो रीडिंग कॉम्प्रहेंशन पार्ट देखने वाले हैं, तो रीडिंग कॉम्प्रहेंशन मीन्स अनसीन पैसेज विल नॉट कम्स फ्रॉम योर टेक्स्ट बुक. Okay, it's not come from your grammar book. So what you have to do, you have to make the practice of that particular reading comprehension part. Apart from that will be comes to your examination point of view. Okay, तो जो भी रीडिंग कॉम्प्रहेंशन होगी वो रीडिंग कॉम्प्रहेंशन आपके बुक से नहीं होगी. ओके, तो ये कहाँ से होगी, ये अदर देन कहीं से होगी, लेकिन आपके बुक से ये नहीं आने वाला है. ओके, सो डोंट बी अबाउट दैट, आपको इसकी प्रैक्टिस करनी होगी और उसके बाद में कोई एक रीडिंग कॉम्प्रहेंशन आपके एग्जाम में पूछा जाएगा. सो लाइक दैट दिस इज अबाउट टुडेज रिवीजन. आई थिंक यू पीपल नाउ अंडरस्टूड द बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स अगेन. सो दैट्स इट फॉर दिस वीडियो lecture. We will meet very soon. Till the time, keep loving literature and stay with us.